Hello friends, today I am gonna show you how to flashing Nokia 5.1 TA-1061 in OS Stella. So what kind of problem you're facing when needed flashing? If your phone is bootlocked, if your phone is hang on logo, if your phone is soft break, any software related problem, if your phone only going to download moding when pressing power on button, uh, or your phone is if your phone is recovery mode coming only when you pressing power button, so that's kind of problem fixing easy. uh, First of all, download OS Stella latest version, then install your PC and open OS Stella in C program file, OS Stella folder, um, online service tool, online update tool. That's it. You can see online update tool, open it. You need to OS Stella access for flashing this device and need a firmware. If your phone is global version, so you can download a global firmware Nokia 5.1 TA-1061, or which you need your phone's current model software. So I have now Nokia 5.1 TA-1061, so I'm downloading Nokia 5.1 TA-60 firmware and extract it. I'm showing you the here is C02319 that's mean it a global version B05, and it's MLF firmware. So now log in your authorized Nokia HMD flashing access account. I'm pushing this video this time because security reason. Here you can see, brother, OS Stella tool is now opening successful, and now copy firmware folder path address where your firmware folder have in your PC. Click next button, connect phone in download mode. Here you can see I'm connecting phone in download mode. So first boot device is attached in my device manager. So now select firmware, click here, copy paste firmware path, click open, and now you can see 0231900 www05 MLF. I'm selecting in. If any reason this file is failed your flashing process, so don't worry, you need to just download a different firmware version in your phone, then you can repeat this operation and you are successfully flashing. And click these two options and click enable emergency download, erase user data, erase FRP. So next, then click next button. Now file is ready to unzipping. Here it's emergency download failed. Don't worry, need a different format. So it's we failed, and we need a different firmware version for flashing OS Stella device. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share this video.